Finding unique elements to use in your designs can be challenging, and sometimes all you need is one cool shape to take your design to the next level. Well, there's no need to worry, because when it comes to cool shapes, we've got you covered. Hey YouTube, it's Lucas here from Snappa, and today I'm going to show you a bunch of unique, cool shapes that you can use in your graphic designs. Let's get started. First on the list is blob shapes. These imperfect circles can add a gentle, friendly vibe to your designs. In this example here, you can see that we used two blob shapes to create a Venn diagram. We also lowered the opacity of the blobs to blend the centered area. These shapes are perfect for presenting information in a fun, exciting way, and they make a great backdrop for your text. There's a whole bunch of different blob vectors available in Snappa for you to explore. The next shape on the list is browser tabs. These are super trendy in the design world right now because they add a contemporary digital aesthetic to your designs. In this Snappa template, you can swap out the text and customize the design to make it your own. The offset browser tab is perfect for framing your text, and we also added a blob shape in the background for an extra touch. In this example, you can see that browser tabs are great for framing images as well. Third on the list is geometric ovals. These shapes are perfect for adding a futuristic look to your designs. If you place them on top of a background gradient, you'll have a stunning, tech-friendly design for your landing page. They can also be used to add some texture and create a sense of symmetry as well. Now we have a few different geometric oval shapes available for you to play around with in Snappa, so make sure to check them out. Next up, we have plant shapes. Plants are a great visual representation for growth, organic qualities, and symbols of life. Plants are also a huge trend in all forms of design, and we recommend that you pair them up with earthy color tones or muted color tones for the best results. We have a great selection of plant and flower shapes for you to use in Snappa. Next on the list, we have sticker shapes. You'll see these all over Instagram since they're a great way to share a positive message and create an abstract pattern. Sticker shapes are also perfect for bringing attention to a certain offer or sale. The final shape on our list is squiggly lines. These shapes can be a perfect addition to your quote post, and they're useful for spacing and balancing your text as well. You can use squiggly lines to add a subtle, creative flair to almost any graphic, and we have tons of unique squiggly lines available that can help you improve your designs. Well, that's all for today's video. All of the templates featured are available for free on snappa.com, and also make sure to check out our blog post for the full list of cool shapes to use. As always, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.